Hey guys, in this one we're going to talk about our final variable for now, which we're going final variable type, which we call string. Now, string is a sequence or an array of characters. We're not going to talk about that yet, but it's not a primitive type. The other few videos I did so far are primitive variable types. And we'll come back to what that means a bit later. So primitive means, let's do a short version of it. Primitive means basically it's not built in into the JVM, okay? It's something coded afterwards. Anyway, we'll come back to that later. For now, what we need to note is that string allows us to put any amount of characters we want inside of it. So we could do something like A. We could do something like 1. We could do something like a symbol as well. But we could also add A, B, C. We could also add 1, 2, 3. We could also add A at C, 1, 2, 3. You could do pretty much anything you want until you have the double quotes. Right? If you remember, characters only take a single quote. Strings allows you to have full-fledged sentences within these quotes, these double quotes. So let's see how that works. So normally a character, just give you a second, we could even have a space. I might have not mentioned that. Until it's one character, it will allow you to do it. And a space is, again, a binary sequence, so it's allowed to be put there. However, when we try to put 2 characters, it blows up. In the case of string, you'll notice, first of all, it's a capitalized word. So this is lowercase, it's in red, orange, whatever. String allows you to have a full sentence. So we could write sentence here, and we put a double quote thing. And we say, I am Reza, your teacher. Let's say that's good enough. And inside of that, we could have put anything we wanted at any location we wanted. And at the end of all of this, we could always print it out and we get something like this. I am Reza, your teacher, blah, 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 blah. Strings, we're going to come back to it in the future, but it's really powerful what we could put in there. So it's useful to kind of know that it exists for now, and we'll come back later. And I'll see you guys in the next video.